So now that goals have been set up, let's take a moment to go through the goal reports. And since I just set up my goal, we won't see any data populating these reports, but we can still go through what you will expect to get from each of them. The first is the overview report. And the same is true of this overview report as all the others. It gives a good, quick glance view of our data. We can see goal completions in the graph. We can toggle through different goals if we have multiple set up in the All Goals dropdown. Below the graph, we can see our goals completed during the selected time period. The goal value, the goal conversion rate, and this is a percentage of completions to sessions. Then abandonment rate if we're using the goal funnel, and the number of completions of our selected goal. If we have multiple goals set up, this number would differ from our overall goal completions. Then below, we can see the source and medium of where our conversions are coming from. This will help us analyze how our SEO is working. The next report is the goal URL report. And here we can see the locations of our goal completions with the number of goals completed for each location, and then the value of the total completions for each location. And this is valuable to help us understand where our goals completions are coming from. The next report is the reverse goal path. And this shows us how a user got to a particular goal, their path through your site. The goal completion location would be the page your goal completion is on. And then the columns to the right would be the steps or pages visited before the user got to the goal page. This can show us if there is any problem area in the path. For instance, does a user have to repeat any movements before they get to the destination page? That could show us maybe the path isn't super clear for the user. Next, we have the funnel visualization report. And this is where you would see the funnel you set up when you set up your goal. The funnel is the path a user should take from landing page to conversion page. If you haven't set up a funnel, nothing would show up here. But if you do, you'll get a visualization of the path and where users are leaving the path. And then the last report is goal flow. This is going to be very similar to all the other flows we looked at. We can see country source, for instance, and see how users are flowing from a particular country to our landing pages to the ultimate conversion page. Or, if not the conversion page, which pages did they go to and where did they drop off? Once you set up your goals, data will start populating these reports, and I bet you that you'll end up spending a lot of time navigating these reports.